Hello everybody. Hope you all are doing really well. I am CA Agrawal, your faculty for ACCA, AA, AAA and law subjects. And my dear friends, today I am coming up with a very special video on how to pass AA and AAA in September 2026 attempt. My dear friends, very last few days are left for your AA and AAA September 2026 attempt, and I need to discuss with all of you a complete strategy on how you can clear AA as well as AAA. So let's start with AA first, and then my dear AAA students, you should also wait for next 5 minutes only, then we will come to the AAA strategy as well. My dear friends, when we talk about AA as a subject, what you need to note down here is that the subject is completely divided into approximately 30-31 chapters. But the paper pattern is very different. Here you get to deal with MCQs as well, plus you have to deal with descriptive part as well. So what you need is level 1 plus level 2 knowledge. When we talk about level 1 knowledge, what you need is a good working knowledge of the concepts, but with level 2 you also need the application part. So here you have to prepare accordingly. My dear friends, the resources are available to you. What are the resources that are available to you? So my summary notes are available to all of you, my question bank is available to all of you, then my dear friends, my mock test papers are also available to all of you, and after that you have to solve the study hub, then pre-scene as well. My dear friends, you cannot let go of any of these resources. Plus, a very important resource for all of you is the examiner report analysis. My dear friends, I have already done the examiner report analysis for last 5 attempts, and I have given you certain insights which has been used by huge number of students, and it has been very fruitful. So I am attaching that particular video in the link and you have to watch it. My dear friends, after this, how you should plan for your AA paper in September 2026 attempt is, when we talk about these 30-35 chapters, there are certain chapters which are very important. Number 1 being the planning chapter. The planning and risk assessment chapter is very important. Planning and risk assessment chapter. After that, there's one particular chapter which is on audit procedures. This is also very important for all of you. After this, there's another chapter on what? On the review and reporting stage, the completion, review and reporting stage. You have to be very thorough on this. Plus, my dear friends, you also have to prepare for the MCQs pattern along with the descriptive patterns as well. Now, when we talk about these chapters, then in other chapters also there are certain important topics like subsequent events, like going concern. All of these topics are very important for all of you. But what we need to make sure when we prepare for double in September 2026 attempt is we have to give mock test as well. This is the time when you should start appearing for the mock test. So should we appear for the full syllabus mock test or the section wise mock test? So you should appear for at least 2 section wise mock test, which should cover at least planning and review stage, planning, risk assessment and review stage, and one mock test paper should thoroughly cover audit procedures plus other chapters. Now after this, you have to appear for 2 full syllabus mock test. But let me tell you one very big mistake over here. A lot of students does this, that they get to appear for these 2 full syllabus mock tests in their own time. Say they are appearing for this mock test at 2 at night and appearing till 5 at morning. My dear friends, that is not the right time. Whenever is your examination, you have to follow the same timeline to appear on this mock test so that you can score identical marks and you can perform the similar in the similar way in your main exams as well. So this is a little bit of strategy for AA. Now to get a complete strategy, please let me know in the WhatsApp number which I have mentioned in the description box also. I will be sharing one-to-one strategy with you as well. My dear friends, I hope this should have helped you in AA. If you like this video, just hit the like button, subscribe to this channel. Now let's come to AAA. My dear friends, when we talk about AAA as a subject, this does not need the working knowledge or the application. You know, there's one particular term that is very important for all of you here, which is what? Which is synthesis. Now, you do not just need to identify the risk over here. You also need to understand why it is a risk. You also need to mention what impact it could have on the auditor's strategy, on the auditor's opinion, and that what makes this particular subject very tricky and very amazing to study. My dear friends, when we talk about synthesis, you cannot synthesize any particular area without understanding it in thorough first. So what you have to do is you have to complete the concept lectures first, then you have to solve the questions along with me as well, which we are also going to come up in a live session also. A lot of live sessions, lot of live question solving sessions are also going to be conducted on the same YouTube channel. Now, after synthesis, what you need to note down is that there are professional skills also. I hope you know that out of your 100 marks paper, 20 marks are for these professional skills marks. Now, when we talk about professional skills marks, what you need to understand over here is that there are these 4 skills, and you do not need to write a separate answer for that. What you need to do is you need to mention these particular skills, you need to show these particular skills in your main answers only. And that is one particular skill that you should have had. My dear friends, just in case if not practiced enough questions, this is the particular time that you should contact me, and I would be happy to help you with the strategy. But do not come to me at the end week and then ask me what are the important points. Okay, now when we talk about professional skills marks, what is more important to understand over here is that you have to practice a lot of questions to ensure that these professional skills marks is something that you hold very thoroughly. Now, after this, when we talk about AAA as a subject, there are 20 chapters, right? There are 20 chapters, and in these 20 chapters, there are certain important topics that you should note down. One is money laundering. Money laundering. Then what? After money laundering, planning. Wow, planning. Then what? Then quality management. After that, quality management, then again review and reporting. Review and reporting. And then what, my dear friends? Then there are other engagements also. So these are the 3 sections in which you should divide your preparations. Okay. If you are unable to read anything over here because I am scribbling in a very fast manner, do let me know. I would be happy to help you understand what I have written over here. But my dear friends, what is more required in AAA is 50 mark question practice. This is one of the questions that will decide whether you pass AAA or not. Because this is one question that is asked for 50 marks directly, and that is the same marks that you need to pass the examination. So you cannot afford to screw up this particular question. So what you should do is you should do a quick question practice of this particular chapter, and you should understand that all the relevant chapters, be it from any material, be it from my question bank, be it from ACC study hub, be it from Kaplan, BPP, how the more number of questions you solve for this particular chapter, for this particular section, that would be much better for you. So you should have a thorough understanding, thorough question practice of this particular question, which is 50 marks question. Generally, planning stage is something that is covered over here. So you should always identify the business risk and the audit risk very appropriately over here. After this, what you need to make sure is once you have done the question practice, you should always have your summary notes. Because, my dear friends, one of the problems in AA and AAA is that people are able to understand sometimes, but they are not able to summarize at the end. So what you should have summary notes available with you. Now, my dear friends, after this also, there are so many tips and tricks that would be helping you in clear AA and AAA. Just in case, if you want to understand in detail specifically for you that how do you clear AA and AAA, and you are looking for the marathon sessions as well, just comment and let me know what is your requirement. I would be happy to share the marathon sessions with you. I would be happy to share the summary notes with you. I would be happy to share the question banks with you for free. Now, please share this video with all of your AA and AAA and ACCA students, and hit the like button and subscribe this channel if you want more videos like this. All the very best. See you, and all the very best for your examination. Do let me know once you clear it. Thank you.